Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let us learn what is JSX and how to render elements into React app. So what is JSX? JSX stands for JavaScript XML language. So what is JavaScript XML language? It allows the user to write HTML codes into the React. HTML in React, which makes it easier to write and add HTML into the React. So how to write the code using React for adding the HTML? Let's see how to add JSX elements and rendering that elements into the React app. So let us see. Import React. Add a space in it. Import React. Then import React DOM from React DOM bar client. Now we will create the JSX element constant element equal to h1 tag. You can write any number of HTML tags into it. Let us add one by one. Hello world. Okay, this is our HTML code. And next, constant root equal to React DOM create root of document dot get element byld of root. This is the syntax to get the JSX element. And next, render that element. Here is a mistake. Constant it is. And here it is dot create. Yeah, this is the code. Compile it. Okay, here you can see the hello world is being printed. So this is a simple code to execute the JSX. So JSX also contains some expressions which can be written into the curly braces. Let's see how to write the expression into the curly braces in JSX component. Okay. Let's see how. Constant name equal to give any name. So instead of world, here you put the curly braces on and type name. Curly braces off. Now compile it. You can see hello Abhi is being printed out. So this is how we add expressions into the name. into the JSX file. You can add some expression also. Okay, let's see how to add expressions. So in this element, add hello 5 plus 5, close the bracket, save it. You can see hello comma 10. So this is how we add expressions into JSX. You can create multiple elements, HTML elements into single JSS. Let us see that. Instead of header tag, you start writing the unordered list. You will list my list. First goes apples, then li bananas, list cherries. Compile it. Now you can see the list has been displayed. It is an ordered list, so it is displayed with bullet points. Can also specify the attributes, not only the tags. Can also specify the attributes in the JSX. Let's see how we can specify the attributes. So h1 was our main tag. So let's see, attribute has class name, my class. Hello world. So my class is an attribute into the h1 tag. See here, hello world is being displayed. So can we have two or more tags into a JSX element? Yes, we can have it. How to have it? So after equal to, open the curly brace, add a division tag. Inside division tag, you can have h1 element which says hello, and h2 tag which says world. Compile it. You can see both the elements are displayed here. So you can have multiple tags into the same element of the JSX. So up to now we have seen how JSX files are created and how to code the JSX elements. So now let's see how to render the elements into the JSX files. So rendering function. Let's see what is render function, and let's see how to code the render function in the React. So to render any element into the React app, you start coding in your app.js, and your index.js should be same as of the first created component. So in the app.js, start coding import react comma component from React. so that we can create a class app extends component render function, call the render function, set it, return division tag h1 welcome. Okay, there is an error. Okay, here should be capital components. Okay, there is another one line export default. Now you compile it. You can see welcome is being displayed out. So this is how we render a simple React element to the root node. This is the root node. Here you see this is the root node, and this is a element or a component created, and we render it this element into the root node by the function called render. So in the root node we can see here DOM. What is DOM? Let's see what is DOM. DOM is nothing but document object model, which represents the web page as a tree structure. Any piece of HTML that we write is added as a node to this tree. Okay, it represents the HTML as a tree structure, and any HTML piece of code we add it to this node, it will be as a tree structure. It will be node for a tree structure. That's what we call it DOM, React DOM, document object model. And that's all for today's video, guys. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.